In Knoxville, Tennessee, the first ever Goals event, Gun Owners of America, in the FOSTech booth.
Yes, sir.
We're going to talk FOSTech.
Absolutely.
What do we got? We got some cool stuff. This is the OG. I was stopped by earlier because with FOSTech, there's a couple of things I've heard about from you guys. And one is the triggers.
Yep.
No experience with them other than maybe at range day. I may have shot some stuff before. And the shotguns. But had no idea about everything else. So let's let's talk about some of that.
So obviously we've got our Origin 12 shotgun, which now we are on the generation 2 of that shotgun. So we've got some different changes, billet carrier, lightened up the entire weapon system, new safety system, our new stock, which is our Tomahawk stock. So a lot of the same features of the gun, but a lot of improvements on the functionality of the gun.
Right. It's definitely beefy.
Yes, sir.
I like the side, the front charge. It's almost got that the HK vibe to it. Just really cool. Now this is obviously this is the SBR version.
SBS. So the short barreled shotgun also has a folding stock, so you can end up with a very compact package there.
And then also longer barrel configurations, all that's available as well.
Yeah, full 18-inch barrel guns, standard guns are available as well.
Very cool.
Yep. So we've got that's the Origin. And then we have our lightweight line of ARs. So these are our aluminum magnesium rifles. This is our stealth version. So it's an actual billet receiver, billet upper and lower, and then our lightweight rails. So if you pick up that rail,
it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Yep.
That's a sheet of notebook paper, maybe. I mean, it's crazy.
You end up with roughly a 5-pound rifle, and these rifles, they come in billet, and then we have a forged version, so more of a standard AR version as well.
Yeah. Real quick, I need to give a shout out to MTM Case Guard, who helped out with the trip to Goals this year. Now, if you've been a firearm owner for any length of time, odds are you love products from MTM Case Guard. Personally, I really do like the shooting tables that they have, but man, they've got a ton of storage solutions, mostly for ammunition. And then the rest, you see the K-Zone shooting rest all the time here on the channel. So MTM, they've got a little bit of something for everybody. If you want to check out all of the MTM products that I use, I'm going to drop a link down in the pinned comment below.
We've got the 320s. So the 320 handguns, the 320C. So this is you want to start over?
No, you're fine.
We got the 320C. We do the slides, the grip modules, and then the barrels on these.
Yeah.
So they're in our true, what we like doing, we lighten everything up. So we've lightened these slides up as light as they'll go, still have a good function. Gold, gray, and black barrels are available, and then gray and black slides are available.
Right.
On our full pistols, we're using the SIG Custom Shot FCUs. So we get those straight from SIG. You got tritium night sights, come with 2 17-round mags, and comes with a bag. And then all of the parts are available separately as well. Right.
I'm not the biggest SIG fan, and never have been, but these are pretty nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
It takes it to a different level.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Wasn't a lot of custom work going on in the SIGs, and there's obviously different camps when it comes to handguns, and the SIG guys really have enjoyed these slides and these handguns as well. But yeah, that's pretty much our product
line.
Just
a lot going on, man.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking a minute,
thanks
talking
for
with us, and that's gonna do it from Goals. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Thank you.